Yeah, happy new year. We are back to work after the season, and today we have a laptop. Uh-huh. Is Which model of a laptop is this? Yeah, this is a HP 15. HP 15. For those of you who knows this model. Yeah, and what is going on with this one when you insert the charger? Yeah, check my power supply. Yeah, there's an attempt of trying to switch on, but we don't know what is hindering that process from coming through. And let's check that together. Let's try to check that together. So the battery aside, what if we reset the power button first? Try to reset this one. Press that continuously, and we see whether this is going to help. So insert the charger again. Yeah, and you're still getting the attempt. We were getting before a switch on attempt, but is not getting complete. We don't know why that's happening. You know, from experience, I could tell this is either a MOSFET that is trying to switch on, but unfortunately is not having a successful flow of power from one side of the MOSFET to the other. And this could also be as a result of a short circuit, or those two. I think those are the most probable causes. And so let's go to opening this laptop together to save time. Yeah, I don't know how was your holiday for those who are able to enjoy the festive season, Christmas. And you can imagine now that is over. We are going on to something else in life. Yeah, that is how short events become sometimes. We've been waiting for that season for quite long. See how quick that season passed. And it's like very quick. Can't even imagine. Okay, so I think all screws are out. So let's first of all get the ROM out. Okay, let's put it there and try to grab this part here. Okay. Yeah, let's hope this process is going to be very easy. Yeah, this should not be a problem. This is a HP. Okay. Hotel is not going the right way. So we have a screw here. Nope. So why is it not coming out? Okay. Okay, here. So let me check something here. Maybe you're having screws here. Yeah, and guess what? Yeah, we are having screws here. You can imagine. So let me grab this one. Yeah, these are the long ones for the okay, this one here. We could also leave you there if we are not in the position. So it's out. So what do we have here? Yeah, look the kind of heatsink that is being utilized by this kind of a laptop. Yeah, that is the heatsink. And you know, for us to be able to get some test points with a multimeter, we need to get rid of this one. Get rid of this one here. It's a heat sink, eh? It's not the normal one, the one we are used to get with the fan and everything else. That is not the one. Okay. Oh, so now I want to take some voltages. Okay, do we have to get rid of this Wi-Fi card here? Maybe we should get rid of it. Okay, sorry. So try to insert the charger again. So we are still getting the same problem. It's the same issue. So let's come out with the whole motherboard. Maybe that's the only way we can be able to assess all other areas. Okay, what if we reset the CMOS before we do anything else? Let's try to reset the CMOS. So insert the charger. Yeah, we're still getting the same thing. So let's come out with the motherboard. Motherboard first. So what else is remaining here? Okay, so somebody else here. So I think we should, oh, we still have another one here. And I think now we should be getting the board out. So I don't think I need to take off the power button. And you know what? If we were to do some physical inspection on this board, what? Let me get the charging port, so that is easy on me. Charging port. Okay, raise up a little bit. I don't know why speaker. Yes. Yeah, charging port was a bit stuck there. So let's take this aside. Yeah, so now let's try to get our voltages. Our voltages now, very important. Okay, we're still getting that thing. An attempt to load up, but it's not happening. Yeah, that's the same. So let's try to take some voltages here. So you check my multimeter. Yeah, we have the 19 volts. Yeah, we call it 19 volts because we round off to the nearest to. So let me see. Yeah, we are round off. Sorry, we are rounding the figure to 18.5. Like see here, 18.5. You round off, that is 19. So when I say 19, I mean the 18.7. Don't have the to be the exact, depending on the laptop model. So we have a 19 there, and after there, I don't know where is our. Okay, what did I just see somewhere here? So let me see this one. Whether you're getting here, you can see we still have the 19 volts here. And as I told you, to my surprise, I think that is what I told you before, that we could be having a MOSFET that is not switching power from one side to the other. And let's check it together so that we can see why this is the case. So I want us to check this MOSFET together here. So come with it. You can see, but come to this side, you have nothing. Nothing. So we try to open this MOSFET. Try to open it. So that is not going to happen. So nothing also on the gate. Nothing on the source. So why is it not passing power? Okay. So let me try to you know what? If we jump this MOSFET, let's try to jump it using a tweezer. There and there. Like that. So we get a short circuit. So nothing is going on. So let me try to jump now. Oh, sparks. We're going to cause some sparks there. So let's try to get rid of it. Maybe we see whether we can inject some voltage there. And try to see if that is going to work. Okay, so let me try to come with some voltage injecting wire there. Even if we are to inject okay, so you did frustrate me now. Yeah, as long as it's not touching the gate, it's still okay. So let me come with the ground here. And I see what is going to happen. Can I drop this voltage to maybe to something like 6 or 4? And you can see I told you we are having some short somewhere. Yeah, this is a short circuit somewhere. So where is it? So let me come with my short circuit, check my power supply. So let's go back to the camera mode so that we see this together. Okay. want to see where that shot is taking place. So let me put on the so is it on? Yeah, it's on. So you want to see where that is. So why is there? Oh, this part is there. It's becoming too shiny for the camera. And what's this area? Oh, I'm just from putting in some. I can see something here. So why there? Oh, and I can see something else here. Sorry. I think you're not seeing. So when I put in the, you see, check here. This part you can see on my camera where I'm trying to point with my finger here. So that part is getting a bit hot, you can see. But also there's another part here. I don't know whether you can see that. Yeah, check something here. Somewhere here, you see? If you check with my camera, I hope you're trying to see here. You can see. See, something is getting very hot here. Yeah, so the camera is not quite very clear, but at least is able to tell me something. Yeah, remember those days when I used to burn my finger just to try to know where the short circuit is taking place, or where the component is getting hit, why is heating so much. Remember those days when I used to take that risk. And so now let's go under the microscope so that I may show you where that heat is coming from, that's where the short is coming from, so that we see whether this motherboard is going to work. So the short is taking place here. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. What is this? Okay, where something here. I hope it's not the, yeah, somewhere here. And I think is it this MOSFET? So when I come with some isopropyl alcohol, I pour some here. Let's see what is done. So can you see it's the cup? Is it the cup? Oh, I think this is the guy. See this guy here. PL, a coil. And a coil cause short. Okay, or maybe it's the other side. Why does it look like this is going on there? No, it's not the other side. Yeah, it's this side here. You see this side. And the only way to know is start getting rid of some components here and there. Okay, this is the part. So I think to me, this cup is not looking very nice. But this is a coil. That was the case. Let me see. Sorry. My multimeter was off. 00. Yeah, 00 on my multimeter on both sides. 00. 00 on also this side. This is a coil, a PL. Yeah, this is a coil. So what I'll do, I'll try first of all to move these two caps. Let's try to move them aside. If I touch again, let me see. Yeah, I think the guy on the is melting faster than everybody else. What about this coil? I'm suspecting. I think also the coil is taking some power, but anyway, to be sure, this guy seems to melt the flux with a bit higher rate than this one. So let me first of all move him aside. Let's see whether that is going to help anything. Oh, why is my hot air station becoming very stubborn? So let me try to move this guy aside. Okay, to save time, let me move both. Maybe I'll try to check for short, which one is shorted. Okay, let me see this one. Yeah, this one has registered a short, as you can see on my multimeter. What about this one? See, our guy is okay. This one is not shorted. This one, nothing. But this one, yeah, this one is registering a short. So yeah, let's get rid of this guy completely. Okay. So and let me try to move his friends where he was. Yeah, so that is our guy. Yeah, do you want us to replace that component? Yes, we are going to replace it, but later, because we have a lot of work waiting for us here, we will replace this component later. Oh, where is it running to? Here? Yeah, here's a guy. You can see on my multimeter, this guy is shorted. And you see, sometimes the importance of having tools is to be able to tell exactly what component is the one giving you a headache. Because as you can see, without the camera, I would not have been able to tell which one was the issue, because they both look pretty much the same. You see, they look the same, pretty much the same, and no much difference. Yeah, so when you have tools, you make your work a bit easy. So what we're going to do now, we'll come back here and try to take back this MOSFET that was here. Where is the MOSFET? This one here. Okay, let me give it a clear shot. Try to give it a clear shot there and see whether this one is going to... Okay, we don't want anything getting shorted there. So did I grab any component using my... Oh, no. Let me see. I think I've grabbed something here. What is this? Have I grabbed anything here? Oh, there was nothing there. I can't see anything, so that means there was nothing there. Yeah, nothing was there. So yeah, let's come back with the MOSFET. Let's do some focus there. So give it some flux, very important. And come with the MOSFET. How do you test a MOSFET? This is the guy. How do you test that guy? So let me come with some. You can see the MOSFET is okay. We are having a value. I think this is the gate. You see no readings. That is the gate. So we have opened the MOSFET. So let's try to close it. Let's try to close the MOSFET. To open to close. What's the difference? Let me come the other side. Yeah, we had tried to close it before. So it's closed. So we don't have much time. So let's just get this MOSFET back so that we can do something else. We can do something else there. I can see a solder blob. Solder blob is taking place somewhere. This one here. So let me grab it using my. Yeah, solder blob is gone. So now what is remaining here is to test and see whether we are going to have a machine working. And so first of all we test by, so let's come out of microscope mode first. As the board is getting cooler, is cooling off. Working with a hot motherboard is not always advisable. Yeah, so this is our board now. Here it's still hot. So to start with, let's check with the, see whether you're going to see a white light. Yeah, we can see a white light because on my multimeter, on my power supply, I'm having less voltage. Okay, let me see this one. Yeah, you can see there's a white light now. This is a white light. Okay, and let me come with the heatsink. Very important. Try not to put on the power without the heatsink, so that you might not end up damaging the processor. Yeah, some are smart. They are able to cut out power before damage is happened. The damage is before damage has taken place. And so now I think so. Let me come with some. Yeah, so like this. Yeah, so now try to come up with a screen. Connect the screen. We see if this is going to. Oh, hey, I have to come out with the, I'll have to remove this one because the screen connector is under this heat sink, you understand? Yeah, I hope you understand. I hope I'll not have to do this again. So once I connect this one, I hope everything is going to be fine, because time is also not on my side. Yeah, here is back to school. Schools will be opening very soon, and people have started bringing a lot of work for a lot of laptops for repair. So I can't afford to waste a lot of time because I have laptops. Many laptops are waiting for me here. Okay, I need to test the screen first. Nothing much, the screen first. And do I have to add some little of thermal paste on this processor here? Okay, maybe I can add from my okay. Just a little. And do I have to put this one too? So no, that one I think can work after. Yeah, you see the screen connector that was taking place under the. Yeah, you know why I'm taking these precautionary measures is before I've tried to switch on a machine without a heatsink and the processor blew up. That brittle glass on the processor blew up. I felt bad. I had taken time to work on that machine, and now all of a sudden I'm even have a bigger damage than I had before. Now I think I still have also to work on this here, because see now what is going on here. Okay, I'll fix that later. Let us first of all try to see whether there is going to be a display on this motherboard here. That's what we are after. Oh, come on. Why is everything not working out the way it's expected today? Why? Now, why are you out of place now, all of a sudden? Okay, are you back to your place? So maybe I need to hold it down with some screws, because I'm not appreciating it. So not that one, not you. Those screws, where are they? If not you, who else? If not you, who? Okay, one there and another one here. Now about him, I don't know why he's behaving like that. So let me hold him too with some two screws and another one here. Oh, where did it go? I'm trying to hold this hinge here. Ah, good. Let's now see whether we have something working out for us. Okay, so we still have the white light. I can see the white light. Power supply is going at 155. I think that's too little. That is not much. 55 is not much. Okay, is it because we don't have RAM installed? So let's install the RAM. Okay, what else haven't we connected here? Here's the keyboard. Okay, let's see how much power is getting in now. Okay, 11. Okay, yeah, the power is now a bit up. What about the screen? Are we going to get something on the screen? No, something is not okay because the so why am I thinking that the so has the short circuit gone to the processor maybe? Is that why things are not working out here? Disconnect once again, connect again, press the power button. Yeah, we have more work to do. This is the white light, and so now the question I'm asking myself right now, okay, what voltages are we having here? So let's try to check what voltages we are having here. So if you are having the RAM voltage, okay, I need to be on meter mode. I have the RAM voltage, processor. Yeah, we have the processor voltage 0.97, and the BIOS 1.78. I think this kind of machine is the one that works with the 1.8. You know, that kind of a machine that works with 1.8 voltage on the BIOS. Yeah, the processor is getting hot. Only that on the power button, here we have 3 volts. So now the question is, why are we not having it? So do I have to write a BIOS firmware on this machine? Is that what is... So let me try to check the processor for some resistance. Maybe there's some 825 for a processor. 820. Okay. So I don't know why that machine is not. So maybe the only thing left for me here is to write our BIOS firmware. Okay, a minute. Let me try to connect these flex cables here. You find sometimes there are chips that must work with. Yeah, and guess what? Guess what? This is the case, This, especially this flex cable here. So let me not also insert that one for the hard disk. Yeah, that is the case. Sometimes the flex cables are very important because you find that there are chips that are needed in the boot up processes. And these chips sometimes are not on the main motherboard there with the flex cable, this connector, the other minor motherboards on the other side. hence you have to connect it for that motherboard too. So let's see whether that is the case on this one. Okay, should I switch on? Yeah, on this one maybe that is not the case. Do you have the white light here? You can see you have a white light here, and the only thing left for me here is to now to do the BIOS, because I don't understand why the machine is not working out. So guys, let me get the BIOS firmware for this machine. It's an Intel, and see whether we are going to have a successful case. Something is falling down here. What is that? Ah, it's my screwdriver. Okay, grab this motherboard once more. Yeah, and I've tried the BIOS now. I'll have to do the BIOS to see if this is going to help us in any way. Okay, so guys, give me a few minutes. I do the BIOS work. Sometimes it involves a lot of repeating, writing, repeating, and I don't want to waste much time of my viewers. Sorry, my viewers. So let me just grab and this one. Yeah, with this one, this is not a fix, because I've tried to write a new firmware on this machine. Remember, it was not taking any power. Right now we have a white here, white light, indicating that the machine is having all the voltages, and now the voltages are all present. But now I've noticed something with this PCH here, this big chipset here. The resistance is too high, very high, and this shows that something is wrong with this chipset here. And remember, this is a very important chipset on this kind of a motherboard, because for it to come on, we really need to have that chipset working right. So we are going to consider this one as a no fix. It's still taking some yeah, so the chipset, something is wrong with that chipset, And so that's it, guys. I hope you have been able to learn something out of that video there. And because we don't want to spend a lot of time here, we have other motherboards waiting for us. We'll deem that as a no fix and go on to the next laptop. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking, and let me know what you think down in the comment section. And that is it. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.